Here's a speech explaining how vaccines work. Introduction. Good morning, everyone. Today I'd like to talk about an incredible tool that has saved millions of lives around the world, vaccines. Vaccines are one of the greatest achievements in medical science, and understanding how they work helps us appreciate the protection they provide. By the end of this talk, you'll have a clear understanding of how vaccines harness the power of our immune system to help keep us healthy. How the immune system works. To understand vaccines, we first need to understand the immune system. The immune system is like a highly trained defense force. When harmful invaders like bacteria or viruses enter our body, the immune system identifies them as threats. These invaders are recognized by unique markers called antigens on their surfaces. In response, the immune system produces specialized proteins called antibodies that latch onto these antigens, neutralizing the threat. It also activates cells to destroy infected cells and remembers the specific invader. The memory is crucial. It allows the immune system to respond faster and more effectively if the same pathogen attacks again. But here's the problem. The first time the immune system encounters a dangerous virus or bacteria, it can take several days to mount a full response. In some cases, like with deadly diseases such as smallpox or polio, this delay can be fatal. That's where vaccines come in. How vaccines work. Vaccines train the immune system to recognize and fight specific pathogens without making you sick. They do this by introducing a harmless version of the pathogen or parts of it into your body. Let's break down the common types of vaccines. Live attenuated vaccines. These use a weakened form of the virus or bacteria because the pathogen is alive but weakened. It stimulates a strong and long-lasting immune response. Examples include the measles, mumps, and rubella vaccine. Inactivated vaccines. These contain killed versions of the pathogen. They can't cause disease, but they still trigger an immune response. Examples include the polio and hepatitis A vaccines. Subunit or protein-based vaccines. These use only specific parts of the pathogen, like its proteins or sugars, to trigger immunity. The whooping cough vaccine is an example. mRNA vaccines. These are a newer type of vaccine like the COVID-19 vaccines. Instead of introducing the virus or part of it, they deliver genetic instructions for your cells to produce a harmless piece of the virus, like its spike protein. The immune system then learns to recognize and attack that protein. Viral vector vaccines. These use a harmless virus as a delivery system to introduce a piece of the pathogen to your immune system. The Johnson & Johnson COVID-19 vaccine works this way. Once your immune system encounters the harmless version of the pathogen, it goes through the same process of creating antibodies and memory cells just as it would with a real infection, but without the risk of severe illness. Why vaccines are important. Vaccines don't just protect individuals, they protect communities through herd immunity. When enough people are vaccinated, the spread of a disease slows or stops. This is especially important for protecting vulnerable groups like infants, the elderly, and people with weakened immune systems who may not be able to get vaccinated. Vaccines have eradicated diseases like smallpox and drastically reduced others such as polio, measles, and tetanus. However, outbreaks can occur if vaccination rates drop. This highlights the ongoing need for widespread vaccination. Conclusion. In summary, vaccines work by preparing your immune system to recognize and combat dangerous pathogens effectively. They are a testament to human ingenuity and have transformed public health. When you get vaccinated, you're not just protecting yourself, you're contributing to the health of your entire community. Thank you for your time and attention. I hope this has shed light on how vaccines work and why they are essential. Let's continue to support vaccination efforts to ensure a healthier future for us all.